Want to set your child up for financial success early? Let's walk through opening a Chase bank account for your minor, step by step. First, decide if you want to open the account online or in person at a Chase branch. Online might be more convenient, but going to a branch allows for more personalized help for either option. You'll need to gather some key documents. The parent or guardian will need a valid governmentist photo ID, like a driver's license or passport, and their social security number. You'll also need the minor's social security number and proof of identity, typically a birth certificate or social security card. Also, you need to provide proof of address, a utility bill, or bank statement. If visiting a branch, find the nearest Chase location using the Chase website or app. Be sure to check their hours of operation before you go. Once there, a Chase representative will guide you through the application process. They'll explain the available account options, such as a Chase First banking account designed specifically for kids and teens. These accounts often come with parental controls, like spending limits and transaction monitoring, helping you teach your child responsible money management. And that's it. You've successfully opened a Chase bank account for your child, setting them on the path to financial literacy and a brighter future. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful financial tips and tricks. Good luck!